Django Girls. So I'm not good at English, but I will try.
And she's going to help you. So please just stand inside the yeah. Yeah, I think that's good.
So this is picture of my organization named Django Girls Seoul. So if you search Django, and you can find a lot of images of the Django movie. So actually, it is not. So I think many of you guys don't know about the Django. So what is Django? Django means that Django is a framework that makes it easier to build better web apps more quickly and with less code. So I will explain about it. So Django is one of the very popular web framework, which is to make the website. So it is built by the Python programming language. So maybe someone may know about the C++ or Java, something like that. So we have a great community named Django community. So in Django community, everyone can join and learn programming and build some website. So in Django community, we pursue diversity and promote open source, and we do the mentorship program, and especially the minority people can scholarship. So if you go to some Europe or the US, and if you would like to join the Django conference or the Python conference, and you can get free ticket. So especially the LGBT or the women and minority people and the disabled also. So and also if you are a good developer or you have good passion about the programming, and there will be someone who offer the job opportunity. So and community outreach program also. So I couldn't translate the Korean. So Django Girls was started from the Europe, Poland, and two Polish girls were computer science students, and they have some difficulties on the web development. So one of their friends gave a book, one Django book, and she learned herself. And then, but you know, in every country there are very few women developers and computer science students. So she was very unhappy with that, and after she visited the Python conference, and she got some very small meeting with the girls. It's like 5 or 6 people, and then she met the Ola. Actually, the two founders are they have the same name, Ola. So Ola and Ola met and they started Django. So they focus on the diversity. So why women are very few in programming world. So they made good resources and the curriculum, and so they set up everything for free workshops. Okay, so I will explain about it more. And so with the OLAS team, they made the free Django Girls tutorial. So if you search Django Girls tutorial, you can find. So in our team, Seoul team, we translate all scripts in Korean language, and we did a couple of workshops for free. So the young teacher also joined the event, and in our workshop, we invited women who doesn't have any programming experience. So what we want to show them is that programming is not not difficulty, and you can do yourself, and it is very fun, and you can build anything that you want. So we want to promote this environment and atmosphere. Okay, next. So why I want to explain about myself a little bit because it is first time to come here. So actually my background is not programming, and I really hate mathematics and science also when I high school student. So but anyway, so my major was music composition, and I graduated 2 years ago, and I did also the education. So for now, I am in NHN Next, which is established by the Daver company. So in my company, we do many activities based on the software development curriculum. So I'm working in there for making online education platform. So I also manage Django Girl Soul and with the Hassan over there. So I did Python conference volunteer, and so anyway, I really like the music and programming, and I'm also the self learner. So what I made, so this is the link that I made with the code. Initially, I had no idea on programming, so algorithm or whatever. So far, I am trying to study, but I couldn't complete that. But anyway, I am doing my best. So this is two links are the project that I made recently.
Can we see it? You can click the link.
This is my website. So I made with the Django Web Framework. Yeah, so, I don't have any contents, but I'm trying to make, but I need more time.
Thing is, like everything is made with code.
Yeah.
Right.
So, this is project. So a week ago. So about a week ago, I made a marathon event schedule with the vectoring. So this is one of my favorite projects that I have been. So I use the Python language, and I score the whole website with Python, and I made a data table and then add some functions. Because the original website doesn't have any information about the location, map data, and the weather API. So I did some APIs in there. So if you click on upcoming, and it shows the list, how many events are there, and something like that. So original website has the title, application period, race type, location, but I add the icons and the design and everything. So this is what I made with the code. Yeah. Okay. so why I started the Python and programming? So back to my university students life. I really like the music analysis. So actually the music analysis is exactly the same as like the mathematics concept and some analysis like the economics, exactly the same. So but I always counted how many numbers of the same tone in the one on the piece. So I felt like I'm a rapper. So it is very tedious, but one day I thought that, if I can count how many same notes in there, about the piece of the in there. So I searched something on the Google and I found some interesting research, but I couldn't have any passion, or I couldn't think that I can write a single code because it doesn't make sense for me. So anyway, I couldn't think that I can do the code that time. So anyway, I got a concept of that. Oh, I can, if I know the programming and I can write the music, and then also I can make program for music analysis. So that was my first turning point of that. Also, yeah, personally, I like learning, and I want to share my experience and the knowledge also. So that is my I don't know, but anyway. And then, so if I know the new skills, and the one good thing for programming is that you can learn anything for free without any cost. So I don't need any tutor, and sometimes I need that, but I can't get any free resources from the YouTube or the free ebook or whatever. And Coursera or the edX is a good platform for self-learners. So it is very nice. So also it has a open source. So what is open source means that the experts on programming, they made a good framework in some systems and the code, and I can revise the code very easily. So when I write music and I have to start from the bottom, but when I do the programming, I feel that I can be older, I can be on shoulder of the giant like that. So so it is very exciting. And so since I have started the programming, and I am also thinking about my future career, because in Korea, in IT field, I think that more developers have more valuable rather than the planner that I have now. So I want to change my career in the future. So this is what I learn programming and Python. Okay. So yeah. So if you have any question about Django Girls, or if you want to learn the programming and refresh, please tell me or the Hassan. And okay. So he put some question at the end of that. So okay. 사진. So this is a photo. Okay, this is our group. Next. So this is, yeah, it was the seminar event, a workshop event. So, and we do the marathon. Yeah, that's why I made the marathon website. So, and also we want to promote and see more women developers in Korea, because yeah, after I do the programming and I couldn't meet many the women developers as like the Ola. Yeah. So thank you for hearing.